everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download eTrade application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to download your eTrade application on your mobile device, the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are connected, go and tap Open Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in eTrade and perform your search. Once you find this application over here that says eTrade, Invest, Trade, Save from eTrade Securities, simply look for the install button and download the application by tapping on the install button. Since the application is not available in my country, I cannot see the install button, but if it is available in your region, then simply tap on the install button to download your eTrade application on your mobile device. That is how you can easily download or get eTrade app on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.